I'm an undercover cop.
Oh!
You're under arrest.
Oh my gosh! What did I do?
You killed 2 girls. You know what you did. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Subscribers? What did I do? I don't have nothing that you can prove.
Oh, I doubt that. Stop. You can't escape.
Yes, I can. I'm a strong guy.
Stand up. Stand up. Oh, look at that. The hat. The hat that you're known for. You better stand up right now.
Who sends you here anyways?
I know who you are.
Well, I have a family. I have a family.
You can wait till you stay here. The weapon. You're the guy.
I'm not.
You're the guy.